Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Walgreens and I see that they've started to put out more of their Valentine decor. So I see these little $2.99 classroom exchange here where you can exchange gifts. These are the Squitsy toys here that says love in the air for $2.99. They also have the slime toys ages 3 and plus for $3. They have the push pencils here for $3. They have these stackable crayons here. Look how cute those are with hearts. And those are $3. But as you can see, they have a lot of the little gift exchange or classroom exchange items here. They have this little finger puppet and card kit, 12 count, $3. They have that You Quack Me Up there. These are rubber ducks and card kits here. But all of these little things right here are $3. They also have the Valentine cards here. All of these are $3.79. They have the Frozen 32 Valentine cards. They have pets, Spider-Man. But they have all of them. They have these little nice pom-pom shoe clips here for $3.99. The animal sun catchers here, they are going for $2. You get these little plush toys right here, which are buy one at $3.99, get one 50% off. And they're actually like, you can put on your ring finger like that. Those are very cute. I also see the heart-shaped glasses here for $3.99. Here are some the Love in the Air heart necklaces here for $2.99. And up here at the top, guys, they have the top notebooks here. Look how cute those are. Those are $3.99. Jawsome. You see the little sloth. They have the glitter pens there for $2.99. Here's a pouch, and it has a little pom-poms inside for $6. They have those little cute notebooks here. They have one in pink and purple. Those are going for $10. And they also have these straw cups up here for $4.99. This is what they look like. These are really cute. I can get them out. But this is what they look like, guys. And they have the straws on the side. They have the little cups here with Mickey. They have those right there. And they have the bigger bottles here, the water bottles here for $6. Up here at the top, they have this tabletop decor XOXO in purple and red. Pink and red, actually, for $10. They have that sign up there, today is a good day for a good day, $8. They have that heart wreath up there for $10 up there. It's very pretty. They have these little pins right here in gold and silver. These are kind of hard to take out, but you get the gist of it. It's gold and silver. Those are $3. They have those pouches up there for $6. And they have these journals here. This one right here is just a suede journal. It says you're golden. And then they have these ones right here. Look how cute these are. These are the clutch journals right here. And this is what they look like. It has a little tassel on the end with the key and the heart. And you just open it up. It's magnetic. And it has a journal book on the inside. But those are very cute. They are $10 and they have them in blue and white. Those are very cute. Alright guys, so I see that they have these candles here in these gold. It looks like a tarnish color. And then they have the gold ones back there and it says pink paddle on the front. Hand poured soy candles for $13. They have the amethyst candles here for $10. They have these little succulent plants right here that come in the little different characters. This looks like a dog, a porcupine. They have the wood blocks calendar here. That is very cute for 10. They have these little animal mugs right here for $6. Those are very cute. Look at those. And they have these right here with the hearts, purple and pink for $6. They have these little cute mugs right here, calm and rooted, and live life in full bloom. Live what you love and good vibes only for $6. They have these bottles here for $7 in purple, turquoise, and purple, and pink, I'm sorry. They have these stackable mugs here. The top one says the hot one in green. And they have a purple one, and they also have a pink one back there, guys. I also see these little water globes right here. Those are really cute. Look at that. That one has crystals. This one has a rainbow, and this one has two little birds with hearts. Those are cute. Also, I see this LED sign right here that says love. And let me see if I can turn it on, but it lights up in purple or pink for $10. They have that LED message box right there for $10. They have the wheel night light here, and they have the little cat night light for $6. They have this little cute, I'm not sure what this is. This is a underwater stuffed animal play set, and it's going for $15. They have these little cute purses right here. Aren't those cute? The little kitten. And they have this one right here. Those are very cute. Those are $7. They have that knit throw right there in beige for $20. They have this heart-shaped jewelry holder here for $10. They have these accessory pouches in pink and turquoise for $10. And as you can see at the bottom, they have tons and tons of gift bags, and they have toilet, the tissue here, and the favor bags where you can put little gift items inside. They also have these pillows here. This one right here is $15, a heart-shaped pillow. Comes in purple and red, and they have one in pink as well. All right, guys, so I also see these little cute slippers down here at the bottom. They are going for $6. They have the little kitty socks up here. All of those are $2. And I see that they have some little plush toys right here. The little bears. They have those over there for $10. This little animated toy right here is $15. I'm not going to press those because I know they're going to make a lot of noise. And they also have a lot of the little light up toys right here. These light up actually. It's great for stress relief. They have these little unicorns right here for $3.99. And they have these little heart-shaped lights that you can light up. They also have some socks here for $2.99. And as you can see on this side, guys, they have a lot of candy, Valentine candies here. If you're looking to get your loved one some candy, heart-shaped candy. See more plush toys up here at the top. That pretty white bear right there is $10. All of these are pretty much $10. This little guy right here, it says, well, actually it's the candies right here. Hold on, guys. Okay, so it's the buy two at $6.99 each and get one free. But they have all of these right here. More candies and more plush toys. Look at this little cute guy right here at the bottom. $20. You have all of those. Alright guys, so I just stopped into Walgreens to see what they had to offer here for Valentine's Day. It looks like they put out a lot of nice things here. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And I forgot to look down here at the bottom, but I also see these little throws right here for $20 in blue and pink. They have these little succulent plants right here for $15 with a little gold. They also have these little cute mugs right here that come with socks. So this is what they look like. This one says "Be happy always." This one right here says "Coffee please" for $10. But I do want to thank you so much again for stopping by my channel, guys, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys. I love these right here.